Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to the CNFT's recap for April the 15th's 8 a.m. Eastern call trading the 10-year T-note. When we started out this morning, we had a B from yesterday's activity. We had volume that was lower in the overnight structure, but it was a P. So we thought the market would be a little bit lower but not break. So we started out wanting to buy 5s to 9s. Then when the first rotation down did not take out the overnight session low at 11.5, 12, we raised our buy to 9 to 13. So we entered the day session wanting to buy 9s to 13s, followed by a 1 to 5 for our buy 2. The sell was 17 to 21 and then 23 to 27. And the trade idea was predicated on the idea that if the E-mini traded lower, we wanted to be long, and if it traded higher, we wanted to be short. Didn't have a lot of news to move things or shake the market up. So how did we do? First screen I'm going to show you is an F4 screen. This is our proprietary equivolume bar chart. Bar width is relative to the bars surrounding it. The fattest bar shown on the screen is the bar with the highest volume for the entire session, and that helps you see that volume is going for or against your particular trade. And that's really important. When you enter a trade, you want to see volume going your way. Pane number 2 is the delta. It's our fastest chart, and each one of these show the net buying or changing in each separate bar, and this is net cumulative buy sell. Red is sell, buy is blue, and if you're long you want to see this pane blue, and if you're short you want to see this pane red. And you can see right here that greatest selling came on the first bar on the news announcement that showed numbers higher than forecast this morning. The market was expecting CPI inflation at plus 1/10. It came in plus 0.2. Empire Manufacturing at 7.5. It came in 1.5%. The Empire Index won, and it changed the tone, and when this news was released, we raised our buy to 9 to 13, and you had until this bar right here to buy 13s. The standard trade, our stock in trade, is a retest failure trade. We wanted the long side. We wanted to buy 9s to 13s. This is our retest failure trade. The low at 12.5 was retest 3 times, and it held. And you could have been long from 13 to as high as 14.5. And you can see when the market broke out and traded up from here, the market did not stop until we got to 25. And so that was a nice trade indeed. So if you entered at 13, you had a shot at 12. If you entered at 14.5, you had a shot at 10.5. So that's a very, very nice trade. Nice way to start the day out, and you would have met your business plan off of that. Our sell zone, we didn't have a chance to get short. This was the first time we had to get short with this retest of the high. The market broke, but this was a trade that didn't go anywhere. It was in our sell zone, so you would have scratched, perhaps made a tick or two on that trade. And then right up here, the market rounds up, and you could have been short, breaking the lows of either of these 2 bars right here. So your worst fill, you would have been short at 25. The mean green trading target was within reach, and you could have exited this trade at 21 or better. So you would have picked up 3 to 4 30 seconds on this trade. So we had a real good day trading the note. It worked as expected. Our trade setups, the retest to support or resistance, did work as advertised, did work within our parameters, and we got winning trades. The idea was to be a buyer at a little bit lower price. The level that we'd identified where we wanted to enter long was 9 to 13. We had to pay up at the high end of the range, and that's actually better. That just means the market is stronger. Gives you a little bit more confidence in the trade, and we were able to exit the market in our sell zone, which was 23 to 27. We had a good day of trading. If you have any questions about the methodology, about how these charts work, please contact us at CNFT Futures. We'll assign you a salesperson, and they'll be happy to go over the details with you. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for our free trial offer in the not-too-distant future. In the meantime, good trading.